Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing, and I am here to present the line dance, The Time Is Right. The song is The Time Is Right, the artist is Barry Wright, and the choreography is unknown. If you or someone is located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. Also, as a friendly reminder, if you're interested in learning the step-by-step instructions for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. Also, please check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July 11th through the 14th, 2024. Detailed information is at our website, www.LMIUNOLA.com. Also, in this dance, I will be presenting modification. I'll do the original dance as it was choreographed, and then I'll also show the modification just in case you don't want to do all the turns, okay? And I'll also teach the modification, and here we go. The Time Is Right by the late Barry White.
It's time.
right, make sure you check out the step-by-step instructions. Also, I would love to see you at the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. For detailed information, everything you want to know is at our website, www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.